Alright, I'm gonna do an unbox. I got 24 hours and my birthday will be on Saturday. 24 hours. Let's do an unbox here. And nails. I'm gonna do my press-on nails here. Oh, that lamp. Look at the lamp. Thought it was gonna be bigger, so I'm gonna do my nails. This is the poly gel. So the poly gel. So these should stay on. I'm just gonna try it, and then I give a review on it. The poly gel. And then I don't know what this is. What is this? 24 hours. I'll be 5-0. 5-0. Just doing an unbox here. Push that back. And what is this? Oh, okay. This is the nail file. The nail file. And then I went ahead and bought another lamp because I'm not sure about 3 different types of lamp. So I'm not sure. Oh, and then I got a light for my phone. So I'm gonna get a review for all this. And then this the Vaseline mask. So I got that. Let me try this. The Vaseline mask. So put that on. So these are my goodies from Amazon. My opening box for Amazon. And I will do a review. So I'm gonna start doing my nails.